Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Race 2 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. This is useful if you want to, I don't know, maybe pair your watch with another device, or you want to sell it to somebody. Anything that requires you basically to unpair your watch from the phone and the account. So first, you will need to open the SUUNTO application on the iPhone that is paired with your watch. So find the icon of the application and tap on it. In the app you will see the home page. Now tap on the device icon in the top left corner. Here, wait until the watch is done connecting with your iPhone. It might take a few seconds or even more sometimes, maybe a minute. But once it's done connecting, or at least once you see the device page for it, you can scroll down and tap on Manage Connection. And here you can tap on Forget, tap on OK, and the watch will disappear from the app. Now what we can do is to close the app and open the settings on our iPhone. So find the settings icon and tap on it. Tap on Bluetooth, and here you will see your SUUNTO Race 2 on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget device. And once it disappears, we can close the settings. We can go to our watch, open the settings on it by pressing and holding the middle button. And here you can scroll down, find the connectivity, tap on it, and check the option called Paired Devices. And if you see the mobile app right here, tap on it, tap on Forget, and then you can press the lower button to go back. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.